What's the meaning of blindworm? Blindworm. Blindworm.
Blindworm. Blindworm. Blindworm is a common name for legless lizards or slow worms, which are small, elongated reptiles found in Europe and Asia. They are not actually snakes, but resemble them due to their long, slender shape. Blindworms are harmless creatures and are usually found in gardens, meadows, and woodland areas. The name blindworm comes from the fact that they have very small eyes, which are often mistaken as blind. However, they have excellent hearing and smell to help them locate prey and avoid predators. Blindworms feed on insects, snails, and slugs, and play an important role in controlling pest populations.